In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to use the Liquify effect in Canva. Let's go. To start, from your Canva homepage, go ahead and click on Create, and here you can choose the format you want to test that effect. So I'm going to choose Instagram post, and I'm choosing this new format of Instagram posting. Now you can upload one image that you already have in mind, or you can go to Elements and search within the Canva library for an image. For creating this kind of more dramatic look, one keyword that I usually use is editorial. So if you type something like editorial woman and you click here on photos, you will already find some really cool images for creating a more dramatic design, okay? I wanted to use this one here, and we need to duplicate it. One of them we are going to turn black and white, so the effect is going to be more apparent, okay? Let's just select it, go to edit, and now we're going to adjust. This is my favorite way of turning an image black and white. So now we are going to increase all the way through the vibrance and decrease all the way the saturation. This is a very nice black and white. It's not pale. I really like it. Now we're going to set this image, the colorful one, as the background, and we're going to remove the background of this one here. Quick way, just go here to background remover. This is a pro feature, but you probably know you can do this also for free in Canva using an app. I will link a video here in case you need. Now we just have to adapt to here and to move one in front of the other, adapt its measurements. So this is fine. Now we're going to select the black and white image, and we are going to apps. We're going to search an app called Warp Brush. It is a free app within Canva, so you can do this totally for free. Click there, and we're going to choose here Warp. And we're going to just reduce the brush size depending on the image you have. Okay, you just have to try to fit the brush size to the area that you want to brush away, okay? So for this image, I think we're going to use about 140. Yeah, that matches with the sizes of her eyes a bit. Okay, it's a bit bigger, it will work. And I'm going to reduce also the strength. And then you start brushing by clicking on the image, and with the mouse you make this kind of movement from one side to the other by pressing. When you release the mouse, it stops, okay? Then you go ahead and you will have to try maybe a couple of times to see if you get the result you wanted or something that you like. I like when the eyes appear, and I like to make this just a little bit more dramatic like that. I like the way it looks now, so I'm going to hit save, and there you go. There you have your Liquify effect created in Canva. The more you practice, the easier it will feel for you, and you will also see some nuances when you try to use different sizes in the brush. You will see that it makes the difference in some designs, and you'll have to kind of test a bit till you have a sense of how it works for you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it went for you. And don't forget to follow for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.